But the real reason you'd want to pick up the Nvidia Shield over, say, a Roku Premier or Amazon Fire TV is because the Shield is first and foremost a gaming device. Like the last iteration, the 2017 Shield will be able to play Android TV games natively as well as stream titles taken from Nvidia's online streaming service GeForce Now or from your own PC via game streaming. Each of these sources can warrant their own in-depth look, but instead of bogging you down with the details, we'll try to keep their descriptions concise. Android TV games that you can download are generally a few years older, see, the Tomb Raider reboot, or are ports of their mobile counterparts, see, Age of Zombies. Games from GeForce Now are much newer but come with the caveat that they're all streamed from a server that's probably located pretty far from where you live. Lastly, game streaming allows you to take games from your PC and stream them to your Shield. It's a neat concept and not one you'll likely ever find on any other streaming video player, although you can achieve similar functionality with the cheaper Steam Link. Once you're done with your game session, you'll probably want to kick back and binge watch your favorite show or movie. To that end, expect some notable improvement to the Shield platform in 2017, Amazon Prime Video. By some way, and we're not sure how, Nvidia got Amazon to agree to put the Prime Video app on the Shield. Amazon, the company who refused to sell Chromecast on its store because it offered a less than ideal streaming solution. So Nvidia deserves some serious kudos for making that happen.